Hello guys, welcome to this channel. You are looking to stop those annoying and sometimes unwanted video calls on Facebook Messenger? While you can't actually completely disable the ability for someone to try and call you, you can absolutely prevent those calls from bothering you. And this is how we are going to do that. First, we need to update the Facebook Messenger app. And this is what you can do to do that. Go to Play Store or App Store on your phone. Now, inside here, just search for Messenger like so. So just make sure that it's updated. And if it's updated, then you're good to go. The next solution for this is to go to your settings app. We need to revoke Messenger's ability to use the video and the microphone hardware. So we are going to do that to stop someone also. Go to settings by clicking on it. Inside here, depending on your phone, just look for where you have privacy and tap on it. Now, just look for permission manager and click on it as well. Now, inside here, which I'll start with the camera, click on it. Now, these are the apps which are allowed to use your camera and even to video call you. So we will click on Messenger and you can just you can switch from allow to deny, and this will just deny someone from using video call on Messenger. And if you also go back, you can do the same thing with microphone, click on it. And inside here as well, just search for Messenger and tap on it and also change that from allow to deny. Okay, that was one way. The other way is to go now to the Messenger app and let's do some things inside there. So click on it to open. So inside here, you'll see all the chats. Just find that chat which is disturbing you. Someone is trying to call you. I will use this other account as an example. Now, once you are inside here, click on the profile name over there at the top. And now this is what you can do. You just scroll down and you will see something written notifications and sound. Click on it. And yeah, this is where you can just switch off. You can switch off him calling you by just turning this feature off like that. And you can mute this chat for the call depending on what amount of time you want. So you can even change it to until I change it myself. So that's one way. Another way, if in case the guy has really gotten up to your neck, you can just block the guy. So you can just, that one will actually stop him or her from even texting you. Yeah, you have really no other option. So I've just clicked on the profile and you have something written block here and you can just click on it. And you will be asked whether you are sure to do that and just click on block again and you'll be done. Another option is actually to put the app in a do not disturb mode. This option will mute all notifications, even including calls from everyone in Messenger for set period. It's great if you need uninterrupted focus or sleep or something like that. To do that, just click on these three dots or menu icon at the bottom there. And then now, once inside here, just click on settings like so. And then you can just scroll down to where we have notifications and sounds. And yeah, you can turn off the notification here and you won't receive any notifications for that period of time. So you will just toggle the switch to off like that, and you can mute the notifications for a set time, and you should be done successfully. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel.